here from YourSixGaming. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Roblox on your Android phone. So you can very easily get this just through the Google Play Store here. Just go to search and type in Roblox. R-O-B-L-O-X. Roblox. Go to search and you should be able to find it right here. So we can tap it and then go to where it says install, right where the blue is. And then we can go to play. And we can play Roblox on our phone. I think we need a connection for this. Okay, so I'm good. And then I'm already signed in with my account. I can just go to a game now and start playing. So you can just go to the play option. Boom. Now to find Roblox, let's just swipe up. And we can see under our app list somewhere under here. I downloaded it a while ago. But if you still can't find it, just go to the top here and just go to search and type in R-O-B-L-O-X. Then we can hold down on it and we can go to add to home screen, or we can just drag it to the front here and we can find it now on my home screen. I can go back to it and then I can go to play whatever game this is. So just sign in with your account and you should be good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.